The former Umkhonto weSizwe Party Deputy Secretary General Nombuso Mkhize has officially parted ways with the party to join Floyd Shivambu's Maibuye consultation process, where she will serve as head of the presidency. The announcement was made in a statement by Maibuye, which hailed Mkhize's appointment as a significant boost to its leadership team. Mkhize's move marks the latest in a series of high-profile departures from the MK party following the demotion of Shivambu as a Secretary General. A former prison warder at the Escort Correctional Center, Mkhize first crossed paths with MK party leader Jacob Zuma during his 2-month incarceration at the facility. Her report with the former president reportedly played a role in her rapid political rise, while Zuma appointing her as the party's deputy president general despite her limited political experience. Maibuye spokesperson Sidney Baloyi described Mkhize's arrival as a strategic gain for the organization's early growth phase and said her credentials as an organizer and administrator, coupled with her ability to offer direction and support, will be invaluable to many volunteers who have already committed to the next chapter of the Maibuye evolution. Mkhize's appointment signals Maibuye's intent to attract experienced organizational talent as it positions itself for a greater role in the country's political landscape. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.